Alana from the Bureau here with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday the 15th of July. Tomorrow, a high pressure system is going to be moving across through southern Australia. Now, this system has a pressure of 1,040 hectopascals, making it a very strong high pressure system, which is going to do a number of things across the country tomorrow. To start with, it will generally bring settled and dry conditions across much of the continent, with some areas of morning fog and frost. It is also directing these dry southeasterly winds across northern parts of the country, bringing elevated fire dangers to some areas. Now, we also have this southerly flow impacting the New South Wales coast, which is bringing some shower activity, particularly through northern parts of the New South Wales coastline. Let's now take a look state by state, and we'll start in Queensland, which will see a mostly settled day. Like today, tomorrow we'll see below average morning temperatures through inland parts of the southeast, and we could see some frost through the Darling Downs. We'll also see some morning fog through inland parts of the east between about Bundaberg and up towards Cairns. Now, while it will be dry and sunny for much of the state, we'll still see a little bit of cloud and some isolated shower activity about our coastal fringes, particularly about the far south, as well as through more northern parts of our coastline. For Brisbane tomorrow, 22 degrees and a mostly sunny day. Into New South Wales, where much of which will see a very settled day, we'll see some morning fog and frost through inland parts of the east. Now, we can see here that some southerly flow is bringing showers along the coastline. Now, that is being assisted by a trough in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. So showers will start in the south and then contract through to the central and northern parts of the coastline. Particularly in the north, we're looking at quite a few days of persistent showers, so it's worthwhile keeping an eye on that area. For Sydney tomorrow, 18 degrees with a possible shower about the coastal fringe. For Canberra, it will be a frosty start and then sunny with a top of 14. It will be very settled across northern Victoria as well tomorrow, with fog and frost tomorrow morning. However, in the south, with this southwesterly flow, we'll see some partly cloudy conditions and some isolated showers developing. For Melbourne tomorrow, 15 degrees and a partly cloudy day. For Tasmania, we have westerly flow, which as usual means an increase in cloud and showers through the western parts of the state, although it will be quite clear tomorrow in the east, with areas of morning frost possible. For Hobart tomorrow, partly cloudy with a top of 14. Southeast South Australia is really sitting under the centre of this high pressure system, so no surprises that we're seeing a very settled day. We'll see areas of morning fog across our southern agricultural areas of South Australia. That includes for the Adelaide Hills. Adelaide will then clear up to a sunny day with a top of 16. Western Australia is also seeing a very dry day. Now, into Thursday, we're going to see our next frontal system move through, and ahead of that, we're really starting to see our temperatures increase, getting up to 8 to 10 degrees above average around our Shark Bay area. Now, we can see that system starting to approach later in the evening, and we may even see an isolated shower or two reach the southwest Capes later in the evening. For Perth, though, it will be dry and sunny with a top of 24 degrees. Up in the Northern Territory, this dry southeasterly wind is moving through, bringing some gusty conditions at times through central parts of the Territory. Now, this dry air is reaching all the way up towards the top end, bringing some high fire danger to the Darwin and Adelaide River region, where we are already seeing some active fires. For Darwin tomorrow, 21 degrees in the morning, warming up to a sunny 32. That's all for our national weather forecast. If you'd like some more information, please visit us at the Bureau's website, app or social media. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.